We are thrilled to be here and be part of Pride Day for 2019.
It's the first time that we've had a float in the Cincinnati Pride Parade, and it really does signal how inclusive Kroger is.
For Kroger to graduate to having a float is awesome.
It's really great to see Kroger get directly involved with the LGBTQ community.
We're passing out samples of the unicorn ice cream at the festival.
The unicorn swirl, I think, just fits in perfectly for everything that we are trying to showcase.
Recently, Kroger got 100 on the Human Rights Index score.
If a company is scoring 100 on the Corporate Equality Index, this is a company who values diversity inclusion in all of its aspects.
Kroger is a place where diversity is embraced, and with the music blaring and the bubbles and the unicorns, I think we're going to stand out, and obviously they're going to remember us today.
Pride is about you representing yourself in all your beauty to the world, and it's something I wish we could all do.